So today we'll see how to put the electrical points onto the layout. So this is a SketchUp. In this we had already added the existing electrical points onto the particular wall. So when I go to elevation A and hide all this units, so I have these electrical points which were already done at the first time. So you just have to give the dimensions for that. So after giving dimensions, it will be something like this. Here this is green because I have proposed a point over here. So that measurement also you need to give it in the SketchUp only. So here your measurements are missing, and just add those. So it's done. I have given a proposed point. So just update this. And the same thing, plumbing, I'm not going to do any changes. If at all you're doing any changes, then you need to give the points there. So this is an AquaGuard point and this is a sink inlet point. So I have freeze this layer. So after this I have freezed it and I just have to update it so that I get the same layers in the So now you have to go to your layout file where you have the electrical and plumbing sheet. Here you need to add in the electrical specifications. So here, so I'll go to file and insert. So this is your last scene. So again you need to go to electrical layout. So this is elevation A. So here you need to just write which elevation this is. So here is the legends that you need to fill in. Who is doing the electrical? Is it by the client or by home lane? Plumbing is done by home. And then here ducting is always the pipe, that aluminum pipe that goes from the chimney to the ducting area, and it's done by whom. And paneling, if there is any chimney paneling, that detailing you need to give yes or no. Core cutting, if it is existing, yes. If we are doing it, it's done by home lane. Okay. If it's existing, it will be customer, and if we are doing it, then it will be home lane. Then gas piping details also need to be given. If it is not existing, okay. And cylinder position, if you are keeping it under the hob only, then you don't need to you need to have gas piping. So you just have to drill a hole and you'll get the gas to the hob. And then piping, if it is done, then who is doing it. And here these are the legends. So here we have to put in the legends, like this is an existing point even. So here I have filled in E1 to E2 are all the existing points that I want it to be retained, and P1 is a proposed point for micro-oven and how much amp you need to mention here. And IP1, IP2 are the inlet points for AquaGuard and sinks, and OT is the wastewater. So this is how you do the electrical points.